This video looks into the integration between Verizon Connect and Nextbillion's Route Optimization API. Here is a brief introduction to both platforms. Verizon Connect is a comprehensive fleet management software that enables fleet owners to streamline their operations efficiently. They provide services such as fleet tracking, dash cams, asset tracking, electric vehicles, and many more. We at Nextbillion are utilizing the capabilities of Verizon Connect to link it with Route Optimization API to generate efficient and realistic routes. In our documentation, you'll find a step-by-step integration guide to pull data from Verizon Connect, configure the data, and use Nextbillion.ai Route Optimization API for computing routes. Let's jump into the demo now. It is a simple UI prepared using the Retool platform, where we can emphasize visualizing the integration between Verizon Connect and Nextbillion's Route Optimization API. Route Optimization API has over 50-plus parameters to optimize the route based on different use cases and requirements. Given the specific requirements and use cases, we have parameters to fulfill the use cases. This API is extremely flexible and powerful. It can be easily integrated with any software application. As you can see in the demo, we have utilized the driver's vehicle information using Verizon Connect. There is ample information like the make of the vehicle, what kinds of goods it can capacitate, GPS location, etc. We have used this information alongside the work orders. As seen here, these work orders have to be delivered around the US region. As mentioned before, our API has many parameters, and it supports one-to-one deliveries, and also shipment use cases, which are multiple pickups and deliveries. We can also integrate the application to define specific parameters to define vehicle information like hazmat parameters, vehicle capacity, skill, time window, etc., to be used as per requirements. Here we have used the time window, where the shift time parameter has been mentioned for the driver, and then the service time parameter has been set to keep track of how much time has been spent on each delivery location. The maximum number of tasks has been set to 6. Each driver can be allocated a maximum of not more than 6 tasks. The round-trip variable has been checked to set the end location of the trip to where it started the journey. After running the optimization, the results are obtained instantly using the vehicles pulled by the Verizon Connect application, along with the information on the work orders provided by Nextbillion's Route Optimization API. The results show that there are 5 vehicles allocated for the job. The results JSON shows step-by-step information for each vehicle with a complete duration and distance traveled by the vehicle and the service time. The ETA information of step-by-step jobs is also available in the results JSON as well as the route planner. There is an option to download the data as CSV, or the file can be shared directly to an external application, or it can be shared with external stakeholders via a URL. We also provide a driver's app. The platform is flexible enough and it can be integrated into the driver's app so that the driver can use this route plan information to plan his trip for the day. Reach out to us at Nextbillion.ai to learn more.